So hello and welcome to our YouTube channel everyone, and this is going to be an educational video. In this video we are going to teach you three well used trading systems. Yes friends, we are going to teach you three trading systems. Even if you are a beginner and if you don't know anything about trading and you don't know anything about analyzing the markets, then too you can just simply use this trading systems and can take your own trade. You don't need any advisor in world to teach you how to trade or which call to take, which stock to buy, which stock to sell, which option to buy, or which future to buy or sell. You don't need any advices from anyone, even if you are a beginner. So simple, three but very useful trading system we are going to teach you today. So please do watch the video till end. Okay friends, so let's start with the first trading system. And the most important thing that you all need to follow is that the trading system that I am going to communicate with all of you, you have to use them only on the blue chip stocks. Blue chip stocks means the stocks which are included in the Nifty 50, only which stocks which are included in the Nifty 50. No other stocks you should use them on, because I have tested these trading system on the Nifty 50 stocks only. That's why you should also use these trading systems on Nifty 50 only. So here is the first trading system for intraday. If the current market price, listen carefully, very carefully, if the current market price, or if you have a paper or pen, you should write these trading systems down for the future references. Okay, so the first trade system is if current market price is greater than the previous high. Okay, what does this means? So this is the current market this is the current market price here. This is higher than this market price, then you can long this stock. Here you go, and you have seen the good returns. Okay, so now the thing is that what will be the target? Target will depend upon your stop loss. If you are taking a stop loss of 1%, then your target should be 2 to 3%. Okay, and if you are taking the thing with these trading systems is that they are based on the data set. They are not based upon any support, resistance, or candlesticks. These are based upon the data. Okay, we have tested the data, we have set a correlation and then came to the conclusion. And that's why the thing is that you have to keep your stop loss in percentage, okay, wherever you are taking trade. So if I'm longing a stock here because the current market price is higher than this market price, then what I have to do is that I have to keep a stop loss of 1%. And for the better use, let's see this on a daily time frame. So here is the daily time frame for the Reliance. Okay, I am explaining this to you on Reliance chart. So here is the thing, here the current market price, and wherever you'll see that current market, this day's market price is higher than this day's. Okay, so if you'll see particularly 10 September 2020. Okay, now let's see it on the hourly chart. We have seen it on the 10th September 2020. So let's scroll back. The 10th September 2020s. So here is the 10th September 2020, and this is the opening of the 10th September 2020. Okay, so here you can see that the current market price. So what I have done, I have taken the closing of the previous day, and you should not use these type of tricks like right now the market is going on. So 12:15, the candle of the 12:15 is higher than the of the 11:15. That is not how you use it. You will see, if I am trading today, then I'll see the previous day's high, and if I see that today's price is trading above the previous day's high, then I'll long it. Okay, so this is the 9th September 2020's prices, and this 10th September 2020 price is higher than this. So what I will do, I'll long the stock, and you can see the return. And the second thing is that this trading system is applicable only for intraday purposes. So do remember that also. This trading system is applicable on intraday only. So you need to remember that also. Okay, and now here if I go here, so this is, as you can see, this is the second this is the part of the first trading system, is that this is the 2nd November 2020 opening. You can see the time here. Okay, so this is the 2nd November 2020 opening, and it is lower than the 30th October 2020, and then I can short the stock, and then you can see the returns. Okay, the market has fallen this much. So these are my returns. So how great is this? Look at this. Okay, so this is the first trading system. What I will do, I will see the previous day's high. If the current market price of a blue chip stock is higher than the previous day's high, then what I will do, I will long the stock. Okay, and will take a stop loss of 1% and a target of 2 to 3%. And if the current market price is lower than the previous day's low, then I'll short that particular blue chip stock with a stop loss of 1% and target of 2 to 3%. So this is the first trading system. I hope it is completely clear to all of you. Now what I will do, the second trade system, I'll teach you the second trade system. Now what is the second trade system is that, now second trade system is that in the first 40 minutes, okay, in the first 40 minute, if I am trading, and in the first 40 minutes I'll see the current market price after the first 40 minutes. If right now my price, the price of a particular stock is above the previous high in first 40 minutes, and the second thing is that I'll use an indicator named as RSI. So relative strength index I'll use. Okay, so I have used the RSI index. So I have to see two things. First thing is that the current market price of any particular stock should be of in the first 40 minutes should be higher than the previous high, and the RSI should be above 60. Then I can long that particular stock. Okay, now right now, as you can see here also, the RSI is above 40 and the current market price is above the previous high, and you can see you can easily long the stock. In the live market it will be more helpful to you. Just listen to it properly. In the first 40 minutes of the opening of the market, if any blue chips stocks prices is higher than its previous high and RSI is above 60, then you can long that stock, or you can even long the futures, or you can take a call option depending upon the at which option the open interest is good. Okay, so this is how we can trade. And if the RSI is below 60 and the opening price is still 40 minutes opening price is still higher than the previous high, then we will not take the trade, because this is a momentum strategy and will identify the momentum through RSI only. And if RSI is above 60 and right now the current market price of any particular blue chip stock is below its previous low in the beginning 40 minutes, then you can short that stock. So two trading system I have communicated to you till now. The first is that if any blue chip stocks current market price is higher than its previous day's high, then you can long that stock. And if the current market price of any blue chip stock is below the previous day's low, then you can short that particular stock. Okay, and this strategy is applicable for intraday only. And the second trading system that I have told you is that if the in the beginning 40 minutes, if any blue chip stocks price is higher than the previous day highs in beginning 40 minutes and RSI is above 60, then you can go long. And if in the beginning 40 minutes the stock price of any blue chip stock is below the previous day's low in starting 40 minutes and RSI is above 60, then you can short that stock. So these are the two trading systems that I have communicated. Now the third one and the very important one is based upon our pivot points. Okay, we'll be using the pivot points to identify this kind of the third trading system. I'll teach you through pivot points. So pivot point standard will be using. Okay, remember standard. So if the 5 minute in the opening above pp, if any stock price opens above pp and sustains above pp for 5 minutes, then you can long that stock for the target of R1 R2 with a stop loss of S1. Okay, now here we go. There is the stock price, it has opened above the p. This is the pivot point, this is the pivot line. It has opened above this is the opening. Okay, this is the opening, this has opened above the pivot point. Then what we can do, we can go long on this stock with a stop loss of S1 and target of R1 and R2, and you can see it has touched the first target of R1. Okay, so this is the third trading system. Opening above the pivot point, you can see this line P is written clearly here. If opening above this and sustains above the pivot point for the beginning 5 minutes, then you can long the stock for the a target of R1 and R2 with a stop loss of S1. And here you can see the easily stock has in the intraday itself has touched our first target. And the second part of it is if the stock opens below pivot points and sustains below pivot point for the 5 minutes, then you can short that stock for a target of S1 and S2 with a stop loss of R1. And here you can see the stock has opened below the pivot point and has sustained below the pivot point, and then you can see the where stock has gone. Okay, and again I'm telling you, these strategies are completely applicable to intraday only. Don't take long term trades or don't take swing trade based upon these are completely for intraday. So I hope all the three trading systems are now completely clear to all of you. If not, then go watch this video again. Please be clear, use them in intraday, listen to whatever I have said clearly, and keep on watching the video for clarification if you have any doubts. So I hope this video is helpful for all of you and you will use this trading system to earn some good profits, because these are completely back tested system. So they will fail but will not fail frequently. They'll give you a winning ratio of 75 to 25. So I hope you like the video, guys. So please press the like button, share this video with your friends and family and with everyone to teach them how to use the different indicators and how to take the trades. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please do like to our channel. Please press the bell icon to receive notification of our daily videos, and thank you so much once again.